it that way. Tell me why I never want to hear you say. Tell me why I never want to hear you say. I never want to hear you say. I want it that way. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me, well, what? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I want it that way, 'cause I want it that way.
Okay, so Detective Sam Blunt with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office. Did I stop you today?
I don't know. I know it wasn't for speeding. I know that.
Okay, the reason I'm stopping you, you're kind of swerving in and out of lanes in traffic, and also your vehicle has no rear plate and also no brake light, so it's not road legal.
Why do you say that?
Why do I say? Because your vehicle has no rear license plate, nor does it have anything, any like brake lights.
You took away my other vehicle. This is all I got.
I never took away your vehicle.
The police did.
Okay, well, I never did. Why'd your vehicle get taken away from you?
It was for some reasons about like.
Okay.
Wow.
Have you had anything to drink today? Any alcohol, narcotics, anything like that?
I had a little bit earlier at
Okay, how much is a little bit?
Enough.
Enough? Okay. How much is enough? One glass, two glass, a couple bottles?
Well,
Sorry about that, officer.
I drink whiskey.
You drink whiskey? Okay, how much whiskey have you had?
Enough? A lot? I don't know. You tell me. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so you've had something to drink today then, yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not even gonna ask for your registration and your insurance because I highly doubt that this vehicle's even registered. So
No.
can I Okay, how about you go and step off the off whatever this is for me?
Wait, could you say that again?
Could you step off the vehicle for me?
Wait, am I being arrested?
Just go ahead, step off the vehicle. I'll talk to you after.
Okay. Step off the vehicle.
All right, come over here, join me at my vehicle, okay? Okay. So
this is a Ford Interceptor. This is a good SUV.
okay. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm detecting quite a strong odor of alcohol from the vehicle and from you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a field sobriety test on you, and I'm gonna breathalyze you just to kind of see if you have any alcohol in your system or anything like that. Okay?
Okay, that sounds okay. Sure.
Okay.
This is nice. This is new. You had this long?
What do you mean?
This Interceptor. This is a V8.
Yeah, it's a 2020 FPIU. It's brand new.
No, that's cool.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna
I tried to join the sheriff's office. My application was denied.
Okay, why was that?
There's not enough words. I guess I needed my bigger vocabularies.
Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do, blow into this tube again until I tell you to say stop. So just a long, consistent breath, okay?
Okay.
All right, whenever you're ready.
All right.
Okay, you can start that one.
Trevor's house? Is that what the car?
There's it.
Out. Out the fucking car. Out the fucking car. Out the fucking car. Hello. Out.
What did I win?
What's going on?
Out.
Oh,
Okay,
Off.
so
what are
this
you
time.
doing?
Okay, so at this time you can be placed under arrest for driving
I know.
whilst under the
Stay.
influence
Stay.
of
Stay.
alcohol.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, what are you doing?
You told me to leave. I'm leaving.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna
Just leave
search you.
like you told me to.
Okay, when I search you, what am I gonna find? Are you gonna find anything illegal?
I don't think
Huh?
so.
Fuck.
Okay.
What?
He's fucking. He won't get out. He has to get out. Can I
This
just
is-
shoot him? Shoot the
This
fucking
is
shoot the guy.
ridiculous.
Thanks for the car, pussies.
Scrapyard. I made her scrapyard.
Okay, well, maybe next time try not to be under the influence and then be in operation of a motor
Yeah,
vehicle.
I know.
That might help you. Okay, you're also gonna be placed. Okay, you're also further gonna be placed under arrest for possession of an offensive weapon. Okay.
This is what is this is tiny. What are you talking about?
Okay, well, I found that knife on you, and it's 3 inches. Okay, the legal limit's 2 inches. So
If that's the legal limit, your wife must be disappointed.
okay, well, that's okay.
This is stupid. Where are we living? This is Nazi Germany. You can arrest people for knives.
Okay. So I've got a cannon in the back of my vehicle, so I can't place you back there. So how about you just go ahead and take a seat on the ground for me, okay?
Fine, it's fine. This seems right. He's just gonna set me in a bush.
Okay. There you go. Is that better for you?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, this is better. At least I can see my vehicle.
Okay. What am I going to find on the vehicle? Is there actually any way to search on the vehicle, or is it just kind of as it is there?
It's as is. There's nothing in that vehicle. I went into the Yellow Jacket earlier, and I passed the cop,
Okay.
and the cop didn't seem to mind that I was driving. Just saying.
Okay.
Sounds like you're just the picky one.
What do you mean? I'm just a picky one.
Well, the other cop didn't seem to mind that I was driving around in it.
What's that, sir?
I just the other cops weren't having an issue with it, but you do, so.
I mean, I could tell that you were impaired when I was behind you, and then that's why I pulled you over. Okay. So we don't have any other units on right now, so I'm going to transport you myself. So if you want to just go ahead and stand up for me.
Okay. There you go. You can uncuff me, and I can drive my car to the station.
It's perfectly fine. You can stay in the back of that. There's no worries.
Good puppy. You good doggy.
Okay, where'd you get the vehicle from?
It was, the place, the depot, the home improvement depot.
Okay. Well, at this time you can. Okay. Well, at this time you can be placed under arrest for driving whilst under the influence of alcohol,
Junkyard.
as well as possession of an offensive weapon. Okay.
I don't agree with that, but okay.